Sorry, congratulations.
Gatiga.
It's actually like not a good start in the beginning. Like on one hand you are batting and on the other hand you are losing wickets continuously. How do you feel at the time?
Yeah, actually it was a good week for bowlers.
Okay.
Batsmen feel very pressured today, but we have played very well, and Ashwin and me makes a good partnership today.
So how do you feel your consistency? You worked today very well. So how do you feel? You feel happy?
You have to say that.
Yeah, we teammates we feel very happy. So how are you feeling inside? Like you lifted the team. Like from bottom to top, you lifted the team. So how do you feel? Okay, right? Okay. Congratulations.
Rajamanlu.
Actually, feeling happy today because we won the game on this particular team. Yeah, feeling very happy.
And special mention to Mallesh, very good catches. But in his bowling, everybody.
We have decided last week we have to win definitely on this.
Yes.
Which team, bro?
Lakeside Lions.
Lakeside Lions.
Lakeside Lions.
Yeah.
Ready, go Black Knights.
Go Black.